The Vatican put out a gadget. You didn't expect me to do. You didn't expect that. Vatican announces wearable eRosary smart device and app for guided prayer. Click to Prayer eRosary, a device targeted at young people as a tool to educate about praying the rosary. You see that wearable right there? That's wearable technology with God involved. You didn't expect it.
Click to pray.
You didn't expect it. Why not? Well, everything else is wearable gadgets. Why can't I didn't the crazy part about this story to me was the fact that the Vatican can announce and release products. I didn't even know that was possible. So I'm reading this. The Vatican announced Tuesday it launched a wearable smart device. Is the Vatican publicly traded? No, they're not. But it's just it's a weird concept that the Vatican releases products. But
Yeah.
I guess anyone can release a product. So can the Vatican. That's cool. The Click to Prayer eRosary is a device targeted at young people as a tool to educate about praying the rosary, according to the Vatican News. Vatican News is the official source for Vatican News. They're official. The Vatican News is the official public-facing aspect of the Vatican. It's their official communication channel, as NBC News states. A wearable device in the shape of a cross, it syncs to a free app and tracks a user's progress. And the device is activated by making the sign of the cross.
Huh.
Yeah! That's cool tech.
So there's like a accelerometer.
That's cool tech. Will you hit the sign of the cross and the app starts tracking the prayer. And then you get your prayer specs. You guys are laughing, man. It's kind of cool. I don't know.
I just think of it like kind of like a Fitbit in a way.
It's a Fitbit. It's a Fitbit for your faith. It's a faith bit. Right? Am I right? I don't know. Whatever. Tech can and will go everywhere. Obviously, this is proof about it. It seems to me that Acer is the company building it. It's listed for sale at Acer's Italian website for $110. Maybe I should order it. I think I can import this from Italy.
Why not?
It would be interesting to look at. Click to Prayer eRosary is a project under the Pope's Worldwide Prayer Network, a network focused on mobilizing Catholics through prayer. The thing itself, the cross itself, you can wear it on your wrist or on a necklace, apparently. And then each one of those becomes the beads, the rosary beads. What did you just highlight?
I'm just, they also made an app called JC Go.
Yeah.
Which is kind of like Pokemon Go. It lets players catch saints or Bible characters.
Wow.
That's
wow. What a time to be alive, Will. You wouldn't imagine this ever happening. But there it is. Your very first Vatican wearable. Could be the first of many. You could have the Pope doing events like Tim Cook, launching the latest, the hot new one every year, V2.
Yeah.
The S model.
The Rosary Pro.
Yeah. With the camera built into it. Okay, so that's interesting enough, but how about this one? Vatican's wearable rosary gets fixed for app flaw, allowing easy hacks. The day after. No, I don't know if it's the day after, but it got hacked already.
Oh, no.
It got hacked already, Kirk. It got hacked already. So, is that the devil responsible for that? Is that how,
You're going to get smited.
is that how that works? I don't know. On one hand, you have both sides of the coin, right?
Yeah.
I bet you whoever hacked it, let's just check this out, okay? Let's just check this out.
All right.
The Vatican discovered Thursday, after a security research disclosed a severe vulnerability in the Click to Pray eRosary. Oh, man, I kind of feel bad. Because you get in the game, it's very exciting. You're modernizing, the youth, you're all excited, and then, of course, the hack. So it's just a security researcher. So I assume not too many people were hurt by it. But apparently the flaw was found in the app within 15 minutes. And the vulnerability would have let a hacker take over a person's account just by knowing the potential victim's registered email address. Okay, not good. So the Vatican's on the case. They're going to try to fix it up, I guess. But it's unfortunate news. Your very first wearable device. And you got some issues there. But I'm telling you, Will, the lesson here, just when you think tech has gone everywhere, right? Mm-hmm. It's still got places to go.
Yeah.
Unexpected places for tech to go. It's really interesting. I don't know. Anyhow. Maybe I got to get it. Check it out. See what it's all about. Pope's first product. Pope's first tech product.
Yeah. It's got a nice...
I wonder how involved he was in it. Do you think people were showing him prototypes?
You think he's wearing it?
He's the CEO of the Vatican. I'm saying. I think he was looking at the prototypes. It's all very interesting.